I'm gonna change the belt on this fucking car. So we're underneath, and what you need to do, well, first of all, we'll look at that belt. That's not looking very good. So we're gonna change it. Hopefully I have the right belt. I friggin' hope so. So first of all, you need to take the AC belt off. You need one of these Torx bits to undo it. So let's try it. And guess what? I forgot to get a bloody ratchet. And there we go, the 1/2 inch. It's kind of difficult with the phone trying to video this. But shit. Oh God, I can't even get it in my hand. Okay, we do this. Can you even see what I'm doing? Oh, yes. Yes, and then we do this, and then we get the belt off. Okay, I come back when I have the belt off. So we've got that belt off, and then now good to get the big one off. I think I need to do it from the top. I think. Let's see. Where's the tensioner? I think, no, that's not it. Where the hell is it? It's under this pipe. I can barely see what the hell I'm looking at here. What am I looking at? I'm just using my phone to try and help me. Ah, there we go. There is the thing. Okay, that looks like a 17th. So, I got the old belt off. It was a bit tricky. I took it off, and here it is. So, this is the new belt. Yep. It's the new belt. It's kind of pretty hard. And this is the old belt. And, well, look at that. That's pretty terrible. There's actually... Yep. Look at that. That's a proper chunk missing out of it. That's really bad. So this belt would either probably snap, or it would just start spinning soon. Just chunks missing out of it. So always check your belts on your car, because yeah, that's pretty bad. Look at the new one. So yeah, that's what a new one should look like. And it's nice and it's kind of nice and tough. Hopefully it actually gets a bit softer once it's on the car. But yeah, let's fit it. And the new belt is on. It's a little bit tricky because there's not a lot of room, but it is on. I think it looks fine. I think it's on the ridges. Hold on, I'm not sure there. That is. Looks fine, looks good. So now I just need to put the bottom belt back on. I think the bottom belt's just going to be a lot easier. I just noticed that that belt is not sitting properly, but I'm kind of hoping that if I maybe start the engine and then stop it quickly, it might go back in the groove. So let's do that and try it. So I actually had to tension the belt again to get it on properly, but it looks fairly good now at the bottom. It's all on the where it's meant to be. So let's just turn it on and see how well it spins. Yeah, seems to be alright now. Job's a good one. Yeah, make sure you change your belt. Look at that. That's not good. That's not good.